Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics, term 1, chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is numbers and numeration. This is our revision lecture number 2. Today's topics are ascending order, descending order, even numbers, odd numbers, place value of underlined digit, face value of underlined digit, and greatest and smallest numbers. So beta, in this revision lecture we will cover all these topics of chapter number 1. Okay. Now the first one is ascending and descending order. So beta, ascending order. Here ascending means going up. Ascending का मतलब होता है ऊपर जाना. So in ascending order, we have to arrange the given numbers from smallest number to greatest number. Ascending order में जो numbers हमें given होते हैं उन्हें हमें इस तरह से arrange करना होता है कि सबसे पहले हम सबसे छोटा number लिखते हैं, फिर उससे बड़ा और last में सबसे बड़ा. So we have to arrange the given numbers from smallest number to greatest number. Okay बेटा? And descending order, here descending means going down, नीचे आना. Okay, so in ascending order we have to arrange the given numbers from greatest number to smallest number. बड़े नंबर से हमें छोटे नंबर की तरफ आना है. पहले हम सबसे बड़ा नंबर लिखेंगे, फिर उससे छोटा and at the last smallest number जो सबसे छोटा होगा उन numbers में से. Okay, let's see with an example. So in question number 1, write the numbers in ascending order. So here in A part, it is given 178, 569, 858 and 296. Now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay. So in ascending order, what we will do? We will arrange the numbers from smallest number to the greatest number. So first of all, it is given to us. So which one is the smallest from these numbers? First of all, we will see hundreds place digit. So here 100 place digit is 1. Here in this 5, in this 8 and in this 2. So which one is smallest? That is 1. So the whole number 178 is the smallest among all these numbers. So first of all we will write here 178. Now we have three numbers. Now which one is the smallest? 5, 8 or 2? That is 2. So we will write 296. And here after that we have only two numbers 569 and 858. So which one is smaller? That is 569. So first of all we will write 569 and at the last we will write 858. So how we can read it beta? 178 is smaller than, ये जो sign है ये smaller than का sign है. So 178 is smaller than 296. 296 is smaller than 569 and 569 is smaller than 858. Okay. Now in B part, it is given 354, 461, 480 and 228. Now we have to arrange it in ascending order. So beta, again we will see hundreds place digit because we have 3-digit numbers. So here in this 3 is at hundreds place, here 4, here also 4 and here 2. So which one is smallest? That is 2. So first of all we will write 228. Okay, and after that 354. Now we have two numbers which have same hundreds place digit. यहाँ पर भी 4 है बेटा और यहाँ पर भी 4 है. So when the 100 place digit is same, we will see tens place digit. So here tens place digit is 6 in 461 and 8 here in 480. So which one is smaller? That is 461. So first of all we will write 461 and at the last we will write 480. So how we can read it? 228 is smaller than 354. 354 is smaller than 461 and 461 is smaller than 480. Understood? Now in C part, 542, 246, 489 and 221. So we have to arrange in ascending order. Now we will see 100 place digit. Here 5, here 2, here 4 and here 2. So there are two numbers which have same 100 place digit 2 because 2 is the smallest. So here 246 tens place digit is 4 and in 221 tens place digit is 2. So 2 is smaller. So first of all we will write 221 and after that we will write 246. Now we have two numbers 542 and 489. So which one is smaller? That is 489. So we'll write 489 here and at the last the greatest number among these, that is 542. So now we have arranged it in from smallest number to greatest number. Okay, beta. Now in question number 2, write the numbers in descending order. Now here we have to arrange the numbers in descending order, means from greatest to smallest. Now in A part it is given 750, 799, 507 and 306. So we have to write these numbers here in descending order. So first of all we will see hundreds place digit here 7, 7, 5 and 3. So 7 is the greatest number, but we have two numbers with 7 at hundreds place. Okay. So we will see tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 5, in 750 and in 799 it is 9. So which one is greatest? That is 799. So first of all we will write 799 and after that we will write 750. Now 5 or 3. 5 is greater. Okay, so we'll write 507 and at the last the smallest number among all these, that is 306. So how we can read it? That 799 is greater than, this is the sign of greater than. 799 is greater than 750. 750 is greater than 507. 507 is greater than 306. Okay. Now in B part, 148, 905, 540 and 245. Again we have to arrange it in descending order. So here, which one is greatest? 1, 9, 5 or 2? That is 9. So 905 is the greatest number. Okay. After that 540, we will write 540 and then 245 or 148, that is 245 and at the last we will write the smallest number 148. So how we can read it? 905 is greater than 540, 540 is greater than 245, 245 is greater than 148. Now in C part, 340, 590, 640 and 145. So here again we have to write it in descending order. So which one is greater? Greatest 3, 5, 6 or 1? That is 6. So first of all we will write 640, the whole number, and then 590, after that 340 and at the last 145. So how we can read it? 640 is greater than 590. 590 is greater than 340. 340 is greater than 145. So beta understood how we have to arrange in ascending order or descending order. Okay. Now the next is even numbers. So beta, what are even numbers? Even numbers, all the numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. वो सभी नंबर जिनके वंस प्लेस पे या तो 0 हो, 2 हो, 4, 6 या फिर 8, कोई भी अगर इनमें से वंस प्लेस पे नंबर है, डिजिट है, तो वो नंबर हमारा इवन नंबर होगा. ओके. एंड द नंबर्स विच कैन बी ग्रुप्ड इन टूज, ऐसे नंबर जिनके हम टू टू के ग्रुप बना सकते हैं और कोई भी नंबर लेफ्ट नहीं बचता. ओके. वो नंबर्स हमारे इवन नंबर्स होते हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर ऑड नंबर्स? ऑल द नंबर्स दैट हैव 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. वो सारे नंबर जिनके वंस प्लेस पे 1, 3, 5, 7 या 9 हो, वो सभी नंबर्स हमारे ऑड नंबर्स होते हैं. ठीक है. और दूसरे तरीके से हम कह सकते हैं द नंबर्स विच कैन नॉट बी ग्रुप्ड इन टू, कि जब हम उन्हें 2 के ग्रुप में अरेंज करें तो कोई ना कोई नंबर बच जाए, तो वो हमारा ऑड नंबर होगा जिसका ग्रुप नहीं बनता है पूरा पूरा. ओके. एंड इन आवर काउंटिंग बेटा, ऑल नंबर्स इन आवर काउंटिंग आर इवन और ऑड नंबर. या तो इवन होता है वो नंबर या ऑड होता है. सो आफ्टर एवरी इवन नंबर देयर इज एन ऑड नंबर. हर इवन नंबर के बाद ऑड नंबर आता है. एंड आफ्टर एवरी ऑड नंबर देयर इज एन इवन नंबर. और हर ऑड नंबर के बाद इवन नंबर आता है. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारी काउंटिंग है वो इवन और ऑड नंबर से मिलकर बनी है. ओके. Now in question number 3, write the next even number of the following numerals. तो अब यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं बेटा how we have to find out the next even number of the numerals. So here in A part it is given 1, 6, 16. So here at ones place the number given is 6. At a tens place it is 1. And in even or odd number we have to see only ones place digit. Okay. तो हम यहाँ पर एक टेबल बनाते हैं ऑड और इवन की. तो बेटा जब भी आपको इवन और ऑड के सम्स करने हैं यू हैव टू मेक दिस टेबल. ओके. फर्स्ट यू विल राइट odd and then you have to write even. And our counting starts from 1. So हम 1 odd में लिखेंगे, then 2 in even, 3 odd, 4 even, 5 odd, 6 even, 7 odd, 8 even, 9 odd and 10. 10 का 0. 9 के बाद 10 आता है, तो 10 में से जो ones place digit है that is 0. So we will write 0 here in even numbers. So now we have to see 6. Where 6 is an even numbers. So it means we have to write the next even number. और 6 के बाद even number में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? That is 8. It means 16 के बाद 17 को हम लीव कर देंगे और कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे यहाँ पर? 18. Understood? Means अगर आपको even number given है and you have to write even number, then you will leave one number and write the next one. Okay. Now in B part, it is given 3, 4, 34. Now see, 4 is at ones place. This is even number. So 4 के बाद next even number is 6. So 34 के बाद 36. Okay. Now in C part, 8, 8, 88. Now 88. 8 के बाद देखिए हमारे पास even number क्या आ रहा है? 0. So what we will do in this? 88 के बाद क्या आता है? 89. So we will leave 89 and after that 90. So we will write 90 here. Okay. Now in D part 30, 30. So 0 is again even number. So 0 के बाद 2. So 3, 2, 32. We will leave 31 and we will write 32. Understood? Now in question number 4, write the next odd number of the following numerals. Now here we have to write the odd number. So here it is given in A part 43. First of all, we will write places, ones and tens. Now we will make table, order even. Always you have to make table like this only. हमेशा आपने इसी तरह से ही टेबल बनानी है when you have to write order even numbers. Okay, always starting from odd number. So here 3 is odd number. So after 3 which number comes in odd? That is 5. So 43 के बाद leave 44 and write here 45. Now in B part 7 9 79. So here at ones place digit is it is 9. So after 9 which number comes? That is 1. It means at ones place it should be 1 है ना. So 79 के बाद क्या आता है? 80. So leave 80 and after that 81. We will write here 81. Now in C part 55. So here at ones place 5 is there. So after 5 which number comes in odd number? That is 7. So 55 के बाद हम 56 को leave कर देंगे and write 57 here. Now in D part 27. So after 7 which number comes? That is 9. So ones place पे हमारा 9 होना चाहिए. That is leave 28 and write here 29. So you can see that when there is odd number given and we have to write again odd number, we will leave one number and write the next one. Okay. Now the next topic is place value and face value. So beta, what is place value? The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. प्लेस वैल्यू जो है किसी भी डिजिट की वो डिपेंड करती है उसकी पोजीशन पे कि वो कौन सी पोजीशन पे है, कौन से प्लेस पे है. ओके, वंस प्लेस पे है, टेंस प्लेस पे या हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे. सो लेट्स सी लाइक इन 369 प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 6. सो हियर बेटा यू कैन सी इन 369 द प्लेस ऑफ 6 इज tens place, this is ones place, this is tens and this is hundreds. Okay, so 6 का place क्या है हमारा? Tens. So here the place value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 60. Okay, and in face value, the face value of a digit does not depends on its position. फेस वैल्यू जो है वो इसकी पोजीशन पे, इसके प्लेस पे डिपेंड नहीं करती. इट रिमेन्स द सेम एवरीवेयर, और ये हमेशा एक जैसी ही रहती है. एंड इन आवर काउंटिंग वी हैव ओनली 10 फेसेस. ओके, फ्रॉम 0 to 9 हमारे पास सिर्फ 10 ही फेसेस हैं और उनकी फेस वैल्यू वही रहती है चाहे वो किसी भी प्लेस पे हो. लाइक इन 369 फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 6 इज 6. ठीक है, 6 यहाँ पर टेंस प्लेस पे है बट इसकी फेस वैल्यू 6 ही रहेगी. एंड अगेन इन 396 नाउ मैम ने चेंज कर दिया, 6 कहाँ पे आ गया? वंस प्लेस पे. द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 6 इज 6. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट द फेस वैल्यू रिमेन्स द सेम एट एवरी प्लेस. ओके, नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 it is given write the place value and face value of underlined digits. So here beta numerals, then place value and face value. So here in A part it is given 723. Here you can see underlined digit is 2. Underlined digit means जिस digit के नीचे line लगी हो. Okay beta. So here we have to write the place value of 2 and face value of 2 इन 723. हमें 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू बतानी है 723 में और फेस वैल्यू भी बतानी है 2 की 723 में. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट प्लेसेस, ones, tens and hundreds. Now to find out the place value of a digit, what we will do? We will multiply that number, that digit, by its place. So here the underlined digit is 2. So here we will multiply it by 10 because its place is tens place. So 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. Okay, and the face value of 2 remains 2. Okay, so we'll write 2 here at face value. Okay, now in B part 960. Here we have to find out the place value and face value of 0 because 0 is the underlined digit here. So 0 is at which place? 1's place. So we will multiply 0 by 1 and that is equal to 0 because when we multiply a number by 0 we get 0. Okay, and the face value of 0 is 0. Okay, now in C part 827. So here underlined digit is 8. Okay, and the place of 8 is hundreds place. Okay, so here to find out the place value we will multiply 8 by 100. So 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to 800. And what is the face value? That is 8. Okay, and in D part 416. So here underlined digit is 1 and what is the place? That is tens place. So we will multiply 1 by 10 to find out its place value and that is equal to 10. And what is the face value of 1? That is 1 only. Okay, understood beta how we have to find out the place value and face value of underlined digit. Okay. Now in question number 6, write all the possible 3-digit numbers from the digits 1, 6 and 4 and also find out the greatest and smallest number from them. So beta 3 digits हमें दी हुई हैं that is 1, 6 and 4 and we have to write all possible numbers by replacing the places. Okay. So let's see. All possible numbers are 1 at 100 place, then 4 at 10's place and 6 at 1's place. So 146, 1, 6 at 10's place and 4 at 1's place 164, then 416 and 461. And two numbers more we can make it 6 at 100 place, 1 at 1's 10's place and 4 at 1's place 614 and 6 at 100 place, 4 at 10's place and 1 at 1's place. So 641. So these are all possible numbers we can make by using these digits. Okay. So which one is the greatest number? That is 641. And which one is the smallest? That is 146. Okay. Now the next is find the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number by given digits 1, 7 and 9. So beta to find out the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number, first of all we will write greatest number and write places 1s, 10s and 100s. So here you can see which one is the greatest number among these, that is 9. So we will keep 9 at 100s place, 7 at 10s place and 1 at 1s place. जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है उसे हम 100 प्लेस पे रखेंगे क्योंकि 100 प्लेस सबसे बड़ा प्लेस है इन तीनों में से एंड जो उसके बाद उससे छोटा नंबर है वो 10th प्लेस पे रखेंगे और जो सबसे छोटा नंबर है दैट वी विल राइट दैट 1st प्लेस. Okay, and our number becomes 971. And to find out the smallest number, first we will write the smallest number at 100th place, then 7 at 10th place and 9 the greatest number at 100th place. So our number becomes 179. Now in next question number 8, find the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number by given digits like 8, 0 and 5. अगर अब बेटा 0 आ जाए यहाँ पर बीच में, then how we can write the greatest number or smallest number. So greatest number, first of all we'll write places 1s, 10s and 100s. So here 8 is the greatest number. So 8 we will write at 100s place, then 5 at 10s place and 0 at 1s place. So easily we can write the greatest number from this. But to write the smallest number, the smallest digit among these is that is 0. But we cannot start from 0 because अगर हम 0 से start करेंगे तो हमारा 2 digit का number बन जाएगा. So first we will write 5, then 0 and then the greatest digit that is 8. The smallest number is 508. Understood? Now today's homework, fill in the blanks. Number 1, the place value of 2 in 245 is dash. So here 2 means the 2 is underlined digit. Okay, you can say. The face value of 3 in 340, the face value of 4 in 432, the place value of 9 in 679. And question number 5, the smallest number formed by digits 3, 7 and 2. यहाँ पर आपको smallest number बनाना है ये वाली digits use करके. And here you have to find out the greatest number by using these digits. Okay. And in question number 7, the next even number of 44 is dash. 44 का next even number table बना के आपने find out करना है which is the next even number of 44. Now the homework discussion of revision lecture number 1. So beta, I had given you two sums. In question number 1, I had given you write the number names of the following numerals. So let's discuss. Here in A part, it is given 403. So first of all, we will write places here, ones, tens and hundreds. So here, we will start from our greatest place, that is hundreds place. So 400, and at tens place there is 0, and at ones place it is 3. So how we can write it? 403. Okay. Now in B part, 6, 7, 8. So here 6 is at hundreds place, 7 is at tens place and 8 is at ones place. So जो ones और tens का place होता है बेटा उसे हम इकट्ठे ही बोलते हैं और इकट्ठे ही लिखते हैं. So how we can write 678. Okay. Now in C part, it's 999. You need to learn all these spellings. Okay. Now in D part, 600, 45, 45. So 645. Always remember in 40, U nahi aata hai beta. Okay. F-O-R-T-Y. What is the spelling of 40? That is F-O-R-T-Y. Now in question number 2, write the expanded form of the following numerals. So here in A part, it is given 304. So first of all, we will write places, ones, tens and hundreds. So how we can write the expanded form? By writing its all digits with its place value. So here 3 at hundreds place, so we will write 300, 0 at tens place, so 0, and 4 at ones place, that is 4. Now in B part, 123. So how we can write 100 plus 2020 plus 3. Now in C part, 450. So 400 plus 50 and at the last 0. In D part, 985. So first of all we will write 900, then 80, then 5. Understood beta? Thank you.